learning the process of flipping houses step by step. So you would like to know how flipping houses in Canada works and how to generate instant profits. The business of flipping houses in Canada is very profitable, and so is investments. Just like any other business, you must go and learn from flippingforprofit.ca. You would also need to join the Professional Real Estate Investors Group Pre-Canada to learn more and meet with professional real estate investors. 1. Get the required training. In order to invest in real estate, you will be required to make the largest financial investment. Every business has its own secrets, strategies, and tactics. Learn the ropes from fellow Canadian real estate investment experts. 2. Get to learn by attending the Eyewitness Boots on the Ground Live Field training. Avoid those dishonest salesmen who ask you to purchase a $50,000 seminar but do not have anything to show you in the backyard. Go and visually observe the real deals, also known as training or boots on the ground. 3. Take time to attend the Canadian Real Estate Investors Strategic Apprenticeship CRISA. The apprenticeship is aimed towards giving you as many benefits as possible. How to do its strategies. You will benefit a great deal about learning buying deep discounted real estate to using forgivable Canadian real estate grants. It is a specific kind of apprenticeship whose goal is to help people succeed. 4. The top 50 steps of due diligence. You are required to carry out your own due diligence, which is based on reality instead of belief. 5. Begin possessing Canadian real estate deals from 40 to 85% discount. You would not be able to find such deals on multiple listing services MLS. Please do not attempt the robbery of a fellow Canadian homeowner who is suffering from cancer or take unfair advantage of their situations. 6. Assign the offer, also known as quick flip. Always be sure that you are in possession of an assignment clause which lets you assign the contract prior to closing. The most beneficial part of this clause is that you would not be liable in case the deal is lost. 7. Close the deal with the joint venture partners. It would be fine to begin investing in Canadian real estate with introductory steps and getting joint venture partners to offer you money and experience. 8. Get the house renovation done with the required building permit. A lot of Canadian real estate investors do not get the building permit and insurance. Please confirm that you have all your contracts reviewed by your lawyer and there is sufficient time to complete everything. 9. Always stage the property. Would you ever consider going to your own wedding in jeans or top tank? The house must be well decorated to get the top price. What looks great to their naked eyes always bring top dollars. 10. In the end, flip the house to end buyer. Be familiar with all of the expenses and capital gains. Get the proper advice from Canada Revenue Agency as well as your accountant. Learn from Canadian real estate investment experts with an evident record.